Welcome. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Amazon to meet a truly remarkable avian wonder, the harpy eagle. Imagine a bird so powerful, its talons are larger than a grizzly bear's claws. That's the harpy eagle for you. This magnificent raptor is a master of its domain, boasting incredible eyesight that can spot prey from high in the canopy. Its specialized feathers allow for silent flight, making it an undetectable hunter. But it's not just about power. The harpy eagle is also a devoted parent, with both male and female sharing the responsibility of raising their young. They form strong pair bonds, a testament to their social nature. Their survival hinges on the health of the rainforest, reminding us of the delicate balance of nature. Isn't it incredible how such a creature thrives? Thank you for joining us on this brief journey. If you found this as fascinating as we did, consider following for more amazing wildlife stories.